Alright, hope everybody had a really good 4th of July weekend. Talk to you a little bit about mice. I got two mousers, Coco 14, Clyde 13. But these guys don't mouse very well anymore. They used to. Hell, they used to climb a tree, get after birds. Alright, so true story here. The guy next door on the other side of this fence here decides that he's not going to mow his lawn, maybe like twice a year, right? Grass was literally 16 inches high. And what happens when you have high grass? You get mice, right? And so he mowed, and I guess the mice decided to come over and live in my backyard. So I'm standing out here just doing my thing, and a little frickin' mouse frickin' acted like he owned the place, was bebopping toward me. I stomped my foot and he scurried off, right? And last night about 2 a.m. I noticed the light was flickering, the LED light that shines on the tree right there, and he was obviously in there, right? So yesterday, about this time in the morning, I get up and do my thing. I went down to Walmart to get groceries and stuff, and picked up these, I don't know if you can see this, Victor original mouse traps. Powerful and effective, made in the USA. For like $2, you get 4 traps, right? And I must say, I am quite qualified setting and baiting mice traps, right? Long story short, I was stationed in southern Italy on a mountaintop, which really wasn't a mountaintop, it was more like a big field mountaintop type deal with a radar. We had a field enclosure and a tent, 48-hour shifts, so we slept up on top of the mountain. And me being a lonely two-stripe nothing, my job before we laid down on the cots to sleep at night was to bait the mice traps, right? And as soon as we shut the lights off and lay down, snap, frickin' catch mice. 2 or 3 a night, like clockwork. They'd come inside and try to get our food and everything else. So, and the other thing too is we didn't throw them away, we just rebaited them. That's how cheap we were. So the guy over here, as I said before, the mice trap. So I put a mouse trap right down there, baited it with peanut butter. Got one right over there. Put one right down here, because this is where the doo-doo was hopping. I think it goes into the pond to get something to drink. So I baited one right here with peanut butter. We have to rebait this, right? And then he was also hopping from pond to pond. So I put one right here in the middle, and look what I caught. I got this little son of a bitch. See, he was trying to chew right on that frickin' peanut butter. And caught him in the head. He's good and dead. He's good and dead. And that's the guy. So I'm going to throw that one away. And that's where he was rustling last night, right in there. We caught the smell of that peanut butter. And got him. Got him. Hopefully I don't have any more mice problems back here. And I sure hope these cats would, do their thing. But there you have it. Good mouse traps, these little Victor deals, if you know how to do it. And peanut butter works. I mean, within 24 hours. I got him. Just put him in a little plastic shopping bag and put him out the trash. Be good to go. Alright, there you have it. This cat don't hunt. Alright, have a good one, and we'll see you next time.